Ladies and gentlemen, I want to share with you one of the best flashlights I have found out there on the market for a reasonable price. So that's why I'm saying it. I know there's more expensive flashlights out there. You could spend, a couple $100 on a HID light, but this is from Harbor Freight. Quantum Flashlight QFL-220. Part number is 63932. But this I picked up on a Labor Day sale for $14. Usually it's like $20. I've seen them go as high as like $29. But I have two other ones here. I love these flashlights. They are rechargeable. Comes with a charger. Comes with the line you need. Actually comes a little bit charged already, as you can see. So you can test it there while you're in the store. But this flashlight, for its size, is a powerful flashlight. If you're looking for a stocking stuffer, a gift for your dad, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever, great little flashlight. I would highly recommend that thing. Comes in at just over 6 inches. So it is a great little compact flashlight that you can use anywhere. I use it a lot when I'm repairing vehicles and need to see that leak down at the bottom of the engine, or find something underneath the seat. Take it camping, leave it in your glove box. I love the fact that you can recharge it. You don't have to have AAA batteries all the time and replacing them out. The only thing that I don't like about it is you can't access the battery to swap those out. I know some flashlights come with what is it, the 16350 that you can actually access and charge it on a different charger. These are actually sealed in there, but other than that, this is a great flashlight. I'll put a link in the description below where you can pick it up from Harbor Freight. Great flashlight. Highly recommend. Bundy approved.